Have you ever had a friend that apologizes for literally everything? Like, even when it's not their fault, they're apologizing. Like, my friend is allergic to shellfish, right? So every time we go out to eat, he asks the waiter if the food has shellfish in it. And one time we went to a restaurant and the waiter was like, no, there's no shellfish in our food. But then they brought out our meals and my friend starts eating, but then all of a sudden, he starts coughing really hard and he's not able to breathe. So he gets his EpiPen out and uses it. And the waiter sprints over to our table and they say, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I just talked to the kitchen and they said that our sauce has shellfish in it. But then my friend was like, oh my gosh, no, I'm so sorry. I was making such a big scene in front of the whole restaurant. Dog, you just got poisoned and you're apologizing for it. I don't get it. But an even crazier situation is that one day, this same friend was riding his bike and he literally got hit by a car because the person was on their phone and not paying attention to the road. Luckily, my friend was okay, but after he got hit, he literally got up, looked at the car and was like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I left such a big dent in your car. That dent is literally your forehead